What's the meaning of albinism? Albinism. 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 Albinism.
Albinism is a genetic condition that affects the production of melanin, the pigment that gives color to the skin, hair, and eyes. Individuals with albinism typically have very light skin, white or light-colored hair, and light-colored eyes that appear pink or blue. They are also highly susceptible to sunburn, skin cancer, and vision problems due to the absence of melanin. Albinism occurs in all racial and ethnic groups and can result in varying degrees of visual impairment, ranging from mild to severe. There is currently no cure for albinism, but treatments are available to manage symptoms and prevent complications.